Near the village of Minions, on the edge of Bodmin Moor, there stands a solitary carved stone. Locals call it Long Tom. Tom was not a humble man. He was the self-proclaimed best poacher in all of Cornwall. There wasn't an animal nor bird in the area that Tom hadn't caught, killed and cooked. One evening, Tom was striding across the moorland when he met a stranger blocking his path. The stranger immediately challenged Tom to a poaching contest. Whomever can bag the most souls in a night shall be the greatest poacher in the whole world. Now Tom was not shy of a challenge. Many had tried to take his crown, but all had failed. This, he thought, was going to be easy as pie. Tom set to work, capturing pheasants, rabbits, and even a few deer. He had never caught so many animals in one night before, and was confident as he approached the stranger as the sun rose. As he unloaded his flock of pheasants, warrens of rabbits, piles of pigeons, and several deer on the ground, he looked up to see the stranger held nothing. Not a single animal had he caught. Tom laughed, but the stranger put a finger to his lips. "Shh, Tom, listen." Tom quietened and listened. The air around him was filled with the sound of wails and howls of the grieving from all the surrounding villages. With a smile, the stranger said, "You have caught a few dozen birds and animals. I have released the plague upon Cornwall, and have taken more souls in a night than you could in 100 lifetimes, and am not finished yet. Come with me, Tom." As the sun rose that morning, nothing stirred upon the moorland, but where Tom had met the stranger, there now stood a solitary stone. Atop the stone stood a single crow, which cackled once and flew away into the morning